This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark theme on Discord. I will be using the desktop app for this. Let me jump over to Discord here. I am on the Discord app now. This should work exactly the same on the web browser version as it does on the Discord app. But to enable or disable dark theme, first thing you want to do is open up settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left hand corner, down to the little gear wheel. I'm going to click on that. Then on the left side pane, under app settings, you want to click on appearance. And then right up towards the top here it says default themes. It gives you light theme, ash theme, dark theme, onyx theme, or sync with your computer. If you want dark theme, you'd want to select one of these three here. I'm going to click on this one. And if you wanted to come off of dark theme, you could click on the very first one, light theme. That is how to enable or disable dark theme on the Discord app. Thanks for watching.